It's approximately 5:45 p.m. As you can see, it just started to snow. In about 15 minutes, we will be under a winter storm warning for the potential of 8 to 10 inches of snow. So we got a dusting of snow, but it is starting to pick up a little bit more. So within the next couple hours, snowfall rates will increase to 1 to 2 inches per hour. The snowfall rate has picked up a little bit, so this could be the start of the heavier snow. Still expecting 6 to 10 inches of snowfall from this. Well, here's the current look as of roughly 8:50 p.m. Just had some wind-blown snow. Still coming down very heavily. Got several inches on the ground at this point. The snow has lightened up a little bit, but there's still a lot more to come through, and so far we have received at least 4 to 6 inches of snow so far. It's now roughly midnight. Snow is still coming down very heavily, with heavier accumulation still expected over the next couple of hours. So several more inches of snow is expected the next couple hours, and then this storm will start winding down, and a winter storm warning remains in effect until 12 p.m. So I believe we got roughly 8 to 10 inches of snow last night, and it is still snowing, but it's very light, and there shouldn't be any additional accumulations with what is coming through. But there will be more snow Thursday that could give us 2-3 inches of snow.